What's going on, my peoples? We are back again, back in the kitchen, about to make some breakfast right now. Gonna make some French toast today. We're gonna keep it nice and simple. I'm gonna show you step by step how we do this without, non-complicated stuff. We're gonna use 2 eggs. I'll crack the egg, put the egg in there, so we'll get it nice and popping and rolling. All right. So we're gonna beat up this egg right now. So let me go ahead and we're gonna get it, beat it up. So I got the eggs rolling right now. Put the vanilla in there. Boom, that's enough right there. Then I throw some cinnamon in there. Enough right there. And we're gonna beat that up again. So now I'm gonna add a little milk in there. Put a little right there. I'm doing this freehand. I'm not measuring nothing. I'm not into the measuring business, so let's go. I do that thing free hand. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. Yeah, that's right there. That's good enough for me. Yeah, right there. So yeah. So what you want to do right now? You want to Usually I mix it in a big enough bowl where I can dip the bread in, but I'm gonna transfer this over here, and you can also add sugar to this if you want to, and the other ingredients, but I don't want my thing too sweet. So let's go. I'm gonna put this over here. Let's go. So you're seeing I added to the bowl. Now I got a non-stick pot right here. I'm gonna add the butter in the pot, and then I'm gonna transfer the pot to the fire. Or you can do it either way. It don't matter. Cooking is not complicated, people. People that make it complicated like there's some rocket science or something. So let's go. I'm gonna drop a half a cork of oil in there also. Just a half. Just a touch. Just a little touch. So I recommend you using some thick bread. Make nicer French toast. But today I'm using my bread is fairly thin. That's the way I like it. I'm using some Nature's Own butter bread. So alright, let's go through the process now. Boom. Go like that. And then boom, you go like that. Nothing too crazy. You don't wanna, some people say you need to soak it forever. You don't wanna bathe it in there. Just just get it nice and wet, and that's it. You got some people, they'll leave their bread in there basking and soaking. And we're gonna let this thing cook on each side for about, let's say, a minute, minute and a half, nothing too crazy. So we're gonna let this thing cook down, and we're gonna flip it, give it a flip. So I'm gonna give this 1 minute, and then I'm gonna give it a flip. Let's go. So it's been like a minute. I gave it a flip, and see how it's nice, and it's that nice original French toast color right there. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna give this thing another minute and a half before I take it out. Let's go. So now we're gonna repeat the process. I got the French toast done right there. So now we're gonna repeat the process, and remember, you have to add butter for each time you make a new French toast to adjust to the new French toast. You get what I'm saying? So let's get this thing popping. So I'll see you guys when my breakfast is ready. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell. Stay tuned for other videos. So there you go, my people. My French toast is done. I was able to make about 5 French toasts with this batter right here. So I'm just gonna keep this simple. I'm gonna enjoy this French toast with some little bit of scrambled eggs. So there you go. Nice and easy and simple recipe. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe for future videos. Now it's time for me to go eat my breakfast. Y'all be easy.